I am so happy. Y'all, go check out y'all's Burlington. Them red tags be crazy, okay? They be crazy. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Life with Ro. If you are a new or returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, hi, I do all things beauty, lifestyle, and so much more. If you're interested in that type of content, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you here. I would love to have you guys help me figure out what videos you want to see next. I love shopping and I love trying on things and I love doing hauls. So if you love that kind of stuff too, consider subscribing down below and we can do it together. All right, you guys, I have part 2 today of the part 1 of the Burlington haul, and I am extremely excited to show you guys all the things that I bought. I really went crazy, you guys. So if you guys are ready, I'm ready. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, y'all, so the first item that I bought is going to be a continuation of the organization. I know you guys are probably like, what in the world? But I am serious about organizing. I really want to get everything together. So I went ahead and bought this 10-piece or 10-pack kitchen set. So it comes with, well, you guys know when they say 10-pack, you know what they be trying to get us. It's really 5 containers with 5 lids, 10 pieces. So yeah. So the littlest one, I know it's hard for you guys to see, but the littlest one is in the core. Let me just unravel it for y'all. Come on now. Yeah, so I've been really trying to make sure that I get organized this year. I want to make sure that I'm on track. I want to get into meal prepping. I want to have everything ready for the week so that way I'm not stressing. So this is what it looks like. This whole combo pack was $6 for 5 of these containers, and they're all interlocked for easy storage. It's amazing, y'all. So you can open one at a time like this. There's the lid, and then you go within, and then it just keeps going and going and going to the smallest size possible. So these are amazing for food prepping. I wanted to get smaller containers because I have a small mini fridge and I didn't want to go overboard, and knowing that I don't have space for that. So this is gonna be perfect, you guys. It's gonna fit in my mini fridge and I'm really excited for it. All right, y'all, again, this is for organizational purposes. So I went ahead and got this 5, I believe it's a 5-pack. Oh, it's a 6-piece. I got this 6-piece set and it was for $7, and it came with, it's like a kitchen drawer organizer, but I'm not using it for that. I'm using it for my mini fridge, y'all. So this is what the outside looks like. This is what the picture looks like. It's meant for drawers, but like I said, I have a pretty decent sized mini fridge, and I want to get it organized on the inside, so everything's not just laying around. So I'm gonna open her up, and this is what we have. This is what it looks like, y'all. So there's a small one. You can put little small things within this one. So these two, they give you 2 of the same medium size, 2 of the larger sized ones, and then they give you 2 of these mini size. These are not all gonna go in my mini fridge. I'm gonna use them for various parts of my kitchen, but this is just so I can get organized in terms of my snacks. So that is what I got for my mini fridge. Let's go ahead and jump into the next item, y'all. Okay, y'all, another organizing thing. I know, but this is what I got. I got another one of these Lazy Susie's, or you know, non-skid turntables. You just go ahead and put whatever you want to put on them. They're typically used for spices, but I'm probably going to end up using this for something else, whether it be, you can use it for anything, makeup, perfume bottles. You can put them on there and spin them and rotate them. You can use them for anything. So I highly suggest. It was only $3, you guys, for this Lazy Susie. Amazing, y'all. So all right, y'all, let's go ahead and check out the next thing that I bought. So I went ahead and got another perfume. I got Charlie in white. I usually get Charlie in blue. That's the one that my grandma has, and I've literally been in love with Charlie blue for so long. I don't really buy it as often anymore, but I thought, you know, why not try it again? But I tried a different smell this time. I tried Charlie in white, and this one's more of a it gives you like expensive but mature. So I think I would definitely use this when I'm going out somewhere that I really want it to be long lasting and smelling good. So this is something that I would highly suggest. The next thing that I got, I'm actually going to pop up right here next to me on the side. It is a clip of another candle. Yes, girl. But this one I got on sale. Y'all already know. This one was so good. It smells like linen, like a clean, fresh scent. It's amazing. And it was only $4.99. Original price $15. And then of course Burlington $9.99. Come on, y'all. Like, it was amazing. There was nothing wrong with the candle. It smells so good. So yeah, if y'all could check out y'all's local Burlington, I highly suggest stocking up on those candles. They have fall scents now. Girl, y'all need to go stock up. I love fall, so anything that really brings out that fall smell or fall inspired is like winning for me. So that is like super important to me. So yeah, y'all please check it out. Let's go ahead and jump into what else I done bought, y'all. Okay, this one's kind of older. It's kind of been here for a while, but I'm gonna put it on this video so it won't hurt. I got these mason jars. They came in a 4-pack. It was only $6. This is what they look like. So cute. So I was thinking about trying this Pinterest idea. So I bought these cute mason jars. They were a little scuffed up, but I just need to really wash them. You know, that happens sometimes when you buy things from Burlington, but it's okay. Like, they just need a really good wash. And yeah, they're really nice. I really liked it. It's really cute. I think adding all of the decorations and cute stuff to your drink, it's like a cute thing to do with like family. And I just really liked the mason jars. Like, it's so cute. So this is something that I'm going to be adding to the extension of the kitchen once I have the room. Can't use it now, but I'm so excited for that, y'all. Yay. So let me show y'all the last and final thing that I have in this haul. And I was excited for this one, y'all. Let me show y'all. Okay, y'all, this is a huge drying rack. Y'all already know it came with the bottom piece for the drying. It came with the iron piece for the dishes to line up, and it came with your forks and spoons rack. Nothing too crazy, but what was crazy is that these are normally $14, and I got this one on sale for $2.99. And it doesn't look used or anything, so I'm pretty sure it just didn't sell. And I got it at a good time, so I am so happy. Y'all, go check out y'all's Burlington. Them red tags be crazy, okay? They be crazy. I am so excited, and I hope y'all check it out, because if you like shopping and you like budgeting, that is the store for you, okay? Like, you can get so much stuff for your house in a reasonable budget, and I just really like that store. This one was $2.99, but regularly they're about $14. I don't know if I would pay $14 for a dish rack, but $2.99, yes sir, yes ma'am, I would pay that. I just really wanted to get things organized and under control. That's really just the goal for the last of this year, so I can carry it into next year. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did making it, y'all. This was part 2 of the Burlington Haul series, y'all. If y'all haven't seen part 1, please check it out. The link will be down below in the description. It was an amazing haul, as well as this one. If you want to see more like this, please comment down below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. I had an amazing time. I can't wait to see y'all again in the next one. I hope you all have a blessed week. Bye, guys. This was part 2 of part 1. This was part 2 of the part 1 of the Burlington Haul series. Oh my gosh.